Okay. Hi, you guys. Here's a quick review on this Stuffins Inc. 1996/1997 Chihuahua dog plush. Without further ado, let's get into the review. Here's its tag. Pretty cool. Pretty nice looking. There's his face. It's really nice looking. I really like this plush so much. And look at the detailing of this. And look how cool it looks, like this. And look at this. And look how awesome this looks. I mean, I love this plush so much. So much indeed. Super cool. Here's the checklist tag. Here's this tush. There's the tush tag that says 1997, and then this tag says 1996. So that's pretty cool. Here's the back. There's all the other ones to collect. That's really awesome. Pretty nice. The Chihuahua is actually on the last list of the checklist. It's actually the last one on the checklist, apparently. So yeah. Anyways, there's his tan feet. Pretty nice. There's his face. His ears of the Chihuahua. There's his eyebrows. His face. His beanie. He sits perfectly like this. Here he is like this. Then the back. And like this. Pretty nice. We show him down to eye level. Pretty nice down to eye level. There's his feet. You can then come back up. Here he is up top. And then the bottom like that. Pretty nice. And eyes and nose is made out of plastic. Pretty sweet looking. Pretty nice. Love it so much. Looks pretty cool. Really awesome. I'm gonna show you a 60-degree turnaround. Looks really cool. Pretty sweet. There's his white belly. Pretty nice. There's his mouth. Pretty nice. There he is like this again. And I love the detailing in this body. I mean, look at how cool that is. There's his tail. There's his feet. Sweet. Yep, his feet. There's his feet, and pretty nice. Pretty nice. Look how cool this looks. Pretty sweet. Pretty cool looking. Love the tan and brown and white. And pretty nice. And I really like this plush. He looks super cool. I mean, I like the year 1996/1997. That's really cool. And that's it. Alright, guys. That's the quick review on this Stuffins Inc. 1997/1996 Chihuahua dog plush. Alright, guys. Bye.